Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making funnel cake fries. The ingredients we're going to need today are 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of water, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and also canola oil and confectioners sugar. Okay, in a large bowl you want to put your 2 eggs, and you just want to whisk them for 30 to 60 seconds until they become frothy. Okay, next you want to add your cup of water, your cup of milk, and also your vanilla extract, and we're just going to whisk that together for 15 to 20 seconds. Next you want to add your sugar, your baking powder, and also your salt, and you want to whisk it until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our 3 cups of flour. I'm just going to begin to whisk it, and you're going to try to take out as many lumps as you can. Okay, once you're done, you want to get a squeeze bottle, and we're just going to fill that with our batter. Okay guys, once you're done filling your bottle up, we're going to go ahead and heat our oil up in our pan. Okay, I have my oil in my pan over medium heat. If you don't want to use canola oil, you're welcome to use vegetable oil. Okay guys, next we're just going to squeeze our batter in. And we're going to cook these for 2 minutes. Okay guys, now we're going to transfer them out of our pan to a plate lined with paper towels. Okay, this is my second batch. Okay guys, you can repeat the process for as many as you would like to make. Okay guys, look how pretty these came out. So I'm going to get ready to go ahead and plate them. Okay guys, so all I'm going to do now is take my confectioner's sugar and just sprinkle some over top. How pretty that is. Okay guys, so here we have it, our funnel cake fries. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.